Chapter 2 Price Session 3 Discriminatory Pricing. Discriminatory pricing is a selling strategy that charges customers different prices for the same product or service based on what the seller thinks they can get the customer to agree to. In pure price discrimination, the seller charges each customer the maximum price he will pay. In this, what they are saying is, first one is discrimination on the basis of customer segment. In this, the product or service can be sold to different prices to different customer groups. Here they are given the example of Indian Railway charges low fare for students. So the cost may be 10 rupees, but they will be selling according to the customers. If it is for a students group, they will be selling at lower fare. If it is for other people, the rate may differ. Next one is discrimination on the basis of product form. Different version of the same product are sold at different places based on image differences. Example, a company may sell two varieties of a bathing soap. See, the company will be the one, but they will be giving a different varieties. For example, we can take Pears soap. In Pears itself, we are having sandal. Not only Pears, any soap will be having different varieties. One can be sandal, one can be rose, one can be a normal one, and the rate also differs according to the varieties. Locational discrimination. In this, the product is sold at different prices at two places even though the cost is the same at both the places. Here they are given the example of a cinema theater. In that same cinema theater, we will be having different prices for different seat. If you are going to sit in the front row, the price will be different, and if you are going to sit in the balcony seat, the price will differ. So in the same location, the price differs for different seat. Time discrimination means the price will differ according to the season wise. For example, if you're going in a taxi, as we have seen as we have seen before, if you are going in a taxi at the night time means the charge will be higher as compared to the daytime. And if you are going for any hotels in the half off season means the rate will be lower. Then image discrimination. The same product is priced at different levels on the basis of difference in image. Here they are given the example of a perfume bottle. The same perfume, that is, a perfume company may price its perfume at 500 rupees each in an ordinary bottle, and if it is in a fancy bottle means they will be charging the different price as 1000 rupees. Have you seen the same Coca-Cola? If we are going to get it in a pep bottle means then the rate will be different, and if you are going to buy in a bottle, normal plastic bottle means the rate will differ. Next one is value based pricing. In this, the pricing has been set according to the customer's mind. That is, if we charge this amount means will the customer will be ready to pay for this product. And next thing is what they are saying is, and according to that only the firm will set the price. Value based price is a pricing strategy which set prices primarily according to the perceived or estimated value of a product or service to customer rather than according to the cost of the product. That is, instead of setting the cost of a product, they will be seeing the customer's mind whether if we set this price for this type of product, will the customer will be able to buy. So then only they will be setting the price. So in this they will be focusing only on the customer side, not on the product base. And here they are given the example of Fab India or Forest Essentials. Cosmetics are considered as premium products by the customer and so are priced at. See, in premium products, why they are producing the premium products? We know that premium products means the cost will be obviously high, but there are set of customers who will be preferring only those premium products. Because of that only they are producing some premium products where the customer will be buying that. Next, we are going to see major pricing method. The major pricing policies followed by business enterprises are discussed below. In that, first one is competitive pricing. That is, the price will be set according to the market competition. Once if we get to know that the competitive company is going to fix something, if they are going to reduce the price means, then according to that they will be reducing double the amount as the less than the normal amount. Second one is penetration pricing. In this penetration pricing, what they will be doing is, while entering into the market itself, they will be fixing below the competitive level. If I'm going to introduce any detergent powder, here they get given the example of detergent powder, and I'm going to introduce some new brand of detergent powder, means while I'm entering into the market itself, first itself I'll be selling that powder for the lower cost as compared to the other powder. So in this, what benefit I'll be getting is, many people will be coming forward to buy my powder. At the same time they'll be benefited from that, and my market share also will increase quickly. Third one is one price basis variable price policy. One price means they will be fixing only one price. They might be a regular customer for that shop, or they might be a new customer for my shop, anything it can be, but I'll be fixing only one price. If I'm going to fix 10 rupees, means that the same will be followed for all the customer, but it might be varied for different types of quantities what they are buying. Second one is variable price policy. In this variable price policy, it will be like, I'll be reducing the price according to the customer. If one customer been very loyal for my company, or they have been regular customer, or they'll be buying the same product regularly, means so for those customer I will reduce the price. That is my wish from my own side. That is known as variable price policy. Fourth one is market skimming pricing. In this, what they will be doing is, when they are introducing any new product in the market, means at the starting, that is when they are in the stage of introduction itself, they will be fixing a higher prices. For example, here they given the example of Apple phones. That is, when introduction of iPhone, the rate will be very high. The same iPhone, if you buy after 6 months, means the rate will be reduced. So in this, what they will be focusing is, there are many people who will be waiting for the new introduction, that is new version of the iPhone. So those people will be buying those phone blindly, and they will not be seeing of the cost, they will not be seeing any features. They just want to buy a new model what has been introduced newly. So after that, in that first stage itself, they will be seeing most of the profit, and later they will be getting afraid that whether if they are getting any competitive products, before that itself they will be getting some profit in the introduction stage itself. Fifth one is discrimination or dual pricing. In this, what they are saying is, in this pricing method, a firm will charge different prices from different customer according to their ability to pay. They will be seeing whether this person can buy. It is not like loyal customer, or they are being regular customer. It is not like that. Whether this person is having a power to pay this much amount, they'll be seeing that whether he will be able to pay the amount. Here they have given the example of an hospital or medical services. Somewhere else, if he is very poor, he can't able to pay this much of amount, means, so according to them, they will be having many policies, and according to that policy, they will be reducing the cost, and he has to pay only half the amount. So this will be seen according to the customer wise. Next one is premium or prestige pricing. In this, all the prices will be very high. The name premium means it is for only for those people who is preferring for the premium quality. That is, in shirts itself, we are having two types of shirt: local brand shirt, and branded shirts. Branded shirts will be the starting price itself, it will be like 1000 plus. So some people will be like, they will be blindly preferring for only premium quality because of their prestige issue. For those people only, this type of thing has been introduced.